Okay guys, I want to do a quick walk around this truck. A little before action. Just caked on. Absolutely filthy everywhere you look. And just dirt. Look up here underneath. It's caked on everywhere. Look at this fuel tank. Looks atrocious. We will lift up the hood latches there and get inside. And when I say we, I mean me, by myself. You guys are getting a look around the outside here. These wheels just caked in. Now, give me just a second. Make my way up here. Try not to fall down while I do this. Of course, I don't have a GoPro. I'm having to hang on to this camera. So, I mean, just nasty. We're gonna climb all the way up. Until we can get to the top here, where the derrick is. Just caked with dirt. Got a little hydraulic oil leak right there. We'll get down in the inside of that truck and get all the dirt out of here. And grease, everything. It's nasty. So that's the before. I'm going to hit this with a two-step and spend quite a bit of time on it with the turbo nozzle to get some of this caked up stuff off here. And we'll look at some afters. Alright, so I have washed down the truck. I did have to cut the video off. I apologize. I didn't want y'all to sit through an hour video, even if it's hyperlapsed. Way too long. So, I did a little video before. This is your after. All the stuff on the back of it is either rust and or it's not on the truck as dirt. So we got it pretty clean. I know you guys saw all the dirt that was on here. We used a two-step method, pulls the dirt right off. That's your high acid, and then your low acid to neutralize everything. Wheels and tires came out clean. Got all the dirt that was caked on right here off. You couldn't even see the leaf springs in here with all the mud that was on them. So we got all that cleaned up. One of the best looking things on here now will be the fuel tank, the steps, and this exhaust. It was not clean at all. I will post a before and after picture with it. Look at it shine. I mean, it come out fantastic. So we cleaned the outside, opened up the hood while the video was cut off, cleaned the inside of the engine compartment. We hit this with some aluminum brightener as well. Came out really nice. Got up in there, got all of that stuff washed down. Now it's blue instead of dirty and nasty. This stuff right here is not dirt, guys. That's just rust and scratch paint. So, all in all, pretty good stuff. That two-step method, as long as your dilution ratios are right, come out really well.